friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sky is your limit. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get instant notification of our videos. One quick information for you that you can visit this website. I have given this link in the description. You can go and check out. You can learn HTML from here also. You can watch our YouTube videos from here, and if you have any queries you can contact me with this page. You can also follow my Instagram or LinkedIn or Facebook account from here. So let's continue with this series on HTML. Today we will learn font tag and some attributes of font tag. So let me go to my Sublime Text Editor and let me first type HTML syntax. So, and let's give the title as listen for. Okay. Uh, Let me type first in the body. So, hello world. Okay. And let's check in the browser. So, as you can see, hello world is shown in our browser. So, let's change our background color as a yellow. So type bg color and yellow, and let's see. So as you can see, our background color is changed. Okay, so let's use font tag. So for using font tag you have to type this. Okay, let's type something in font tag, hello HTML. Okay, let's save it and let's go to our browser and refresh this page. So as you can see, font tag and simple text are same. So we can add some attributes in font tag. So let me first add a size attribute. So size equals to anyone you can write. Let me write first 30. Let's save it and let's check what happened. Okay, so you can see the font has been changed. Okay, so you can also change its size at 15 or any one you can like. Let's add one another attribute, color attribute. So let's change its color as a red. Okay, so let me save first and let's refresh. So as you can see, the color has been changed. Okay, so you can also add a font using face attribute. So let me first write Vardhana font. Let's save it and let's see what's happened. Okay, so as you can see, hello HTML is changed into Vardhana font. Okay, you can also change this font also. Let me write Arial. Let's save it and let's refresh. So as you can see, hello HTML is changed into Arial. Okay, so let me type another. Okay, something here. No, I should not write here. Okay, let me type here another font tag. Okay, let me type what I type. School is best platform. Okay, for us. Okay, so in the attribute I type here size equals to 45. Okay, and let's change its font as a right. What now? Okay, it's fine. Let me put one HR tag, one horizontal line, and let's change this color. Okay, no, color as a red. No, I should write black. Okay, so it will be more clear. And let me add here br tag, and let me also add here br tag. Okay, so let's save first and go to our browser and let's refresh. So as you can see, the output is expected. Okay, so here you can see horizontal line and hello HTML. Let me type hello HTML in center. So what you need to do, you need to type hello HTML in the center tag. Okay, so type hello HTML in center tag. Okay, so let's save it and let's go to a browser and refresh. So as you can see, the hello HTML is in center. Okay, so you can type various text in alternatively or multiple text in one. Okay, so let's type here font tag, and in font tag let me use h3 tag. Okay, and in the h3 tag let me use center tag. So the effect of these three tags will be applied on these tags. Okay, so sky is your limit. Let me type these text, and let me change its color as a blue. Okay, so okay, so let's save these and let's see in the browser. Okay, and let me add here br tag. Okay, so okay, yes, let's refresh, and as you can see, sky is your limit is in center tag, and it is in it is a h3. It has a h3 tags attribute, so let's change into h2. Okay, so let's save these and let me refresh this page. Okay, so as you can see, the output is as expected. Okay, so by this way you can practice this code. It is enough for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. We will meet in the next tutorial. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye. Thank you.